regarding my performance, I still see a lot of lapses. Maraming sitwasyon nga like Coach mentioned na we could have controlled better. We made a lot of errors, pero thankfully natuto kami and naihabol naman namin. But as a team, like I'm really proud of how we performed kasi ito yung kinds of games na natututo kaming gumalaw as one eh. Parang dito kami nag-build ng chemistry, dito kami nakaka-face ng adversity and kung paano namin i-handle talaga as one team. So thankfully talaga the win went our way.
Yes, siguro maunti-unti na one and after back-to-back wins against contender teams pa.
Sorry,
Tingin mo ba lang unti-unti na kukuha niya sa ulit kasi nagre-reconnect lang ulit sa video?
Yes, I think so naman. Like, little by little, parang yung mga nahihirapan kami from the first game up until the second game and today, na-improve naman namin and yung number one talaga is yung communication, especially in games like this na veterano din yung kalaban namin at pinaghahandaan din kami. But we know na marami pa kami kailangan paghandaan kasi walang team talaga natapon sa ligang to. So, kailangan namin bumalik ulit sa training bukas at ayusin yung mga kailangan.
As a center, when you go for an attack, kumbaga deliberate effort ba yun? Ayun for you to score or kumbaga may scoring instinct na din talaga at times na impulsively you take control of the scoring part of this?
I think it's very situational yung mga attempts ko to score kasi hindi naman pwedeng iplano yun ng bago pa mag-serve yung kalaban na kailangan ko mag-drop, kailangan ko mag-score. It always depends on what the first ball is, kung ano yung pwesto ng kalaban, if the blockers are watching me. So it's very situational talaga. A lot of the times, it has to be at the last second and very calculated. And ready naman yung teammates ko to support me kung hindi man gumana, ready kami mag-reset at bumalik sa sistema namin.
How much of an advantage for Vincent for setters in general to have that scoring capacity?
I think it adds another threat on the net kasi we have a lot of scoring setters who are very capable of being a threat whenever we're in the front line. So, ayun, parang nagiging unpredictable lang yung offense ng team and that's something that we're consciously working on din kami sa setters.
Gia, you tallied your double-double tonight. Yes, 10 points. For you, since period of adjustments, matagal, do you think ito na yung masasabi mo na comfortable ka na with overall team chemistry or you're still searching for something?
Ako personally, like, hindi pa ito yun. I think there's still a lot of times na we put ourselves in hard situations na hindi naman talaga dapat. Like Coach said nga, maraming beses na yung effort talaga namin at yung kagustuhan namin manalo ang nag-dictate kung ano yung mangyayari sa laro. And a lot of times, today in the past games, nagsistop kami. So yun yung tinatry namin ayusin nila sa team.
Sir, Coach, yung sabi ng Diaz, may mga adjustment pa siya. More on na siya ba yung nag-a-adjust pa to sa teammates niya? Yung mga teammates niya nag-a-adjust sa pagbabalik?
Siyempre, as a team, 50-50. So, yung adjustment namin ng OPI, yung adjustment namin, dinadala namin sa training. So, every time na nag-training kami, nakikipag-communicate para kami nag-game. Siyempre, importante yung communication sa games. Hopefully, pag lumipas pa yung mga games, maging 100% yung makikipag-communicate ni Gia sa mga spikers. Knowing Gia naman, madali naman yung magagawa yun. So, vice versa lang. Give and take lang sa kasi pare-parehas nag-a-adjust. So, hopefully, maganda yung game.
Coach, yun nga next game yung Bella. Yung capital. Ano na yung nilook forward na makakalaban nyo naman siya this time?
Siyempre, excited. Knowing Bella talaga very competitive din. Pero siguro di namin hayaan na mapag-play Bella yung laro. Balik muna kami sa ensayo tomorrow. Then, tingnan namin kung saan kami ma-advantage sa capital. And maganda na laban yun. Excited, makakalaban namin si Bella.
Sa'yo naman, Gia, teammates mo sa alas and si Coach Jorge na rin makakalaban mo. Ano lang din yung nilook forward mo sa Saturday?
Siyempre, the players on the court sa lahat, they're very competitive. Bella is very competitive. But it's not just her. Team effort talaga sila sa past games nila. So alam namin hindi kami pwede magpabaya. Siguro, kilala rin ako ng coaches, yes, but at the same time, hindi lang naman din ako yung naglalaro sa Team 9. Marami din kaming tao sa bench. And nagpakita naman yun sa game namin today that we have a bench that is ready to deliver. So, kailangan lang mabuo namin ulit, makapag-prepare kami ng maayos for Capital One. And then, yeah, let's hope na it goes our way then.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Gia.
Thank you. Thank you.
Watch what happens